Okay, so it seems like everyone's are happy with this window. So this time, let's draw something on the window, and I'll show you the simplest way. Well, actually, in computer graphics, you need to learn many complicated 3D geometry things, shading and shader, and some many other technical stuff. But well, what you need to learn today is just drawing a point and a line. Okay, and you can draw everything into that two-dimensional with those functions. Okay. So let's start with making this one as a constant here. So const width, const integer height. This one. So let's test modifying the width like this one. So it's working, right? Okay, so it was just a test. So let's remove it. So so color is a set of 3 numbers. Color is a combination of red, green, blue. This is standard RGB color, red, green, blue. And well, you may find the RGB color table on web, like this one. So you can draw so many colors by combining these colors. Okay, so we want to draw something on the screen, and it means that we need to define an array of color pixels. So let's define a float array. So maybe this is our canvas or pixels, right? So let's use name pixels here and allocate memory width. So this is the resolution, the whole resolution of our window. So for an example, right click screen resolution here. So our display, this display has 1920 by 1080 resolution, right? This is width and this is height. Okay, so here and each pixel should have red, green, blue component. So let's use 3 here. Float. Okay. And we allocate memory here. We dynamically allocated memory here to this pointer. It means that we need to clean this memory. We need to return this memory to our operating system before our program ends. Okay, so delete pixels, IXEL. So maybe you remember C function like memlock, something. So this one is equivalent to memlock and casting. Float. So this one equivalent to this one, C, in C. And I assume that you are familiar with C programming. So if you don't understand this one, well, Google website, web page, or use your textbook. If you don't understand this one, you will be in trouble at understanding the next part. And this one, the equivalent to 3, I think, in C, right? Memory array 2, yes, 3. Okay, this is an example, right? The dynamic memory allocation. You should know. You should have known this one. Okay. Okay. And well, currently we have black colors everywhere, right? Black colors everywhere. And let's use blue color maybe. So let's assign all pixels red color. So enter I with this, oh sorry, from 0 to plus and J. And we have pixels array, pixels I plus this. Oh, this one should be height with this J plus true. Is red means 0.1. So this one, this red, green, blue, red, green, blue. Okay. And the next thing you need to do is just copy this one to your Windows display. There is a simple simple function about it, and actually I have my lecture note in GitHub. Pixel painting, so so it's this one. So you don't need to understand this one perfectly. You simply need to understand this array is copied to your window by using this function. Okay, let's compile, and we have red background. So let's try green one. So this one. So this is green. So we have green. And blue, right? So blue. So we know how to draw now. So let's use white background. The color. It means 1, 1, 1. This is white color. White. Okay, so we have white background like this one. So before going further, let's define a draw function. So simply draw, and let's define draw function here. And we can define a color of a pixel by repeating this one, right? So maybe we integer, maybe set up pixel in 50-50 to black, maybe. So this draw function is called here, and it has this part here. So we should have a red point around here, but the pixels there are too many pixels, so let's try different way. So maybe we can define a thickness, maybe 5, and let's define a draw 1 pixel, const float red, float green, blue, this one, and copy this one. Okay, const integer I, const integer j, right? And maybe we can use integer a for loop. So I is I center, j center. So I center minus thickness, I center plus thickness, and draw 1 pixel. Now red, green, blue. Thickness, and we can do, well, okay, I plus, right? So let's test with this one. Okay, J is still okay, let's do this right now. So J center, thickness, J. Okay, so we have a black dot here. We have some problem with color. Okay, so red, green, blue. Red, green, blue. Okay, so we know how to draw something like in this way, right? Okay, so we can draw 1 pixel, and we can use our for loop to draw an area, right? And maybe we can extend our code to draw a line. So here is a line drawing code. Draw pixel. Draw line. We need to work on this one. So let's draw one line. Draw line. Okay, so maybe 10, 10, to 600, 300, 300, and blue line. We can draw a blue line here. So we can draw a line. Okay. Okay, so currently I'm programming in with C programming style, not C++. Okay, so so today's practice for you is drawing some more object by using this code. Okay.